Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to link your GitHub account to your Facebook profile. So if you want to have a clickable link on your intro page, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set that up. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is navigate over to your Facebook profile page and select the About tab. On the left side, underneath About, you want to select Contact and Basic Info. Underneath Websites and Social Links, select the Add Social Link button, and then select Add a Social Link. Click on the drop-down here and select GitHub from this list. It's not alphabetical, which is kind of annoying. I think they go off of popularity, I would assume. But go ahead and locate GitHub, and then type in your username here, and then select Save. And that should hopefully be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.